And guys, what's happening? How to delete or hide check-ins on Facebook. So go ahead and click the menu at the bottom right. Click your name at the top. And next to the edit, you're gonna see 3 dots. Go ahead and click. And then click right here, activity log. In this section, you're gonna see all of your activities across Facebook, including your reactions, comments, etc. So I'm gonna click public post at the top left, and then I'm gonna filter next to your post, photos, and videos, and then click categories, and you're gonna select your posts, photos, and videos, and then click check-ins. And you're gonna be able to see all of your check-ins on Facebook. And if you want to delete them, you can just go ahead and select the check-in, and then hit delete or move to trash. And after 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.